We are back at another Airbnb with the mini ramp, and this time we are at Big Bear Lake, California at the Chair 9 Chalet. The reason it's called that, it is the closest doorstep to Chair 9 on Bear Mountain. This cabin was hand-built in 1932, and it was completely renovated in 2022. This Airbnb is owned by Corey Keene and the incredible Keene family. As you approach the Airbnb, you're gonna see this cabin has an incredible black exterior of the house. As you pull up, you'll notice some massive windows on the front of the house. You're gonna be able to see the view from that later in this video, but it is an awesome part of this cabin. When you pull up to the cabin, you're gonna have 2 parking spots that you can park completely off the street. As you make your way up to the cabin, you're gonna go up this walkway that is all made of stone. It is an incredible and really beautiful walkway. As you're walking up the walkway on the left-hand side, you're gonna see a flag. It is the Chair 9 Chalet flag, and you're gonna see that logo again a little bit later in this video. But I think it's awesome when people take an Airbnb and they create a logo for their actual business and brand. It's something that's memorable and it's something that sticks out. As you're walking up the pathway to the Airbnb, you're gonna see this really rad mini ramp behind us. Don't worry, I'm gonna share a little bit more about that later in this video. When you walk up the stairway, you're gonna get up to the porch, and when you get to the door, there's a keypad for you to enter the code to get inside. And this porch also has a really nice view. Another thing that I absolutely love about this cabin is there are a bunch of super tall trees out here. It really does feel like this thing is set back into nature. When you walk into the cabin, the first room that you're gonna come into is this room. And it has these massive windows right here that have an incredible view of Bear Mountain. In this space, you have a nice seating area with 2 rocking chairs and a full-size daybed. This room is super quiet, and this was our favorite place to enjoy our morning coffee. They also leave you some different books and magazines that you can check out. One of my favorite is this photography book that looks back at the history of Big Bear Lake. As you walk into the main part of the cabin, the living/dining room, you're gonna go through this really cool door, but then you're gonna enter this space, which is the main part of the cabin. What I love about this room is that these ceilings are massive, and it makes this room feel really, really big. There's a large sofa you can relax on, and a section of it also folds out into a bed. There's a stone fireplace with a large TV above it, so if you want to stay in for a movie night, you have that option. There's a dining table that seats 4 people, but they also have a lot of board games and cards, so you can actually play those there and turn your dining table into a game table. They also have this really cool record player, and this entire space has a lot of vintage ski decor that really gives that mountain vibe. A few of my absolute favorite things in this place are the massive chandelier made out of antlers and these lights that look like lanterns. Walking into the bathroom, you can tell it's been completely remodeled, but it still keeps that cabin feel. The retro vanity and gold accents make this entire space look super nice. The shower tub combo with the green and gold tile really goes into the rest of this room, but my absolute favorite thing in this room is this photo. So off the main living space, you're gonna enter into the kitchen. They kept the original stove in here, but they have updated multiple appliances. The countertops in the kitchen are this really cool orange, and in my opinion, it keeps the retro theme going throughout the cabin. The fridge is new, but one of the things I love about it is they took the time to find a retro fridge so that it keeps the same vintage feel throughout the cabin. I love the handles, and I love the way overall this fridge looks. They also provide all of the cooking essentials you will need to stay in and cook. They have a Keurig and provide complimentary coffee. One of the cool things is you also get a free Chair 9 Chalet coffee mug to take home with you, but it is only 1 per booking. They have a large pantry for you to use, as well as a washer and a dryer. Next, we're gonna go upstairs to the loft, which also doubles as a bedroom. One of the features I love about the stairs is the railing. They use some raw wood to just build into the cabin feel. The loft has 2 queen-size mattresses for beds. There's a nightstand, and it has plenty of outlets. And you will also find a dresser upstairs for you to store the clothes that you brought with you. One of the coolest things about this space is that it overlooks the entire living room space of the cabin. So there are multiple things that I absolutely love about this Airbnb, but the thing I'm the most stoked on when it comes to this cabin is actually out back. The thing I was most stoked on when coming to this Airbnb is this mini ramp. The Keene Ramps team actually put this mini ramp up here just a few weeks ago. I know they made a short video on their Instagram that you can check out, or I'll put a card above in this video so that you can see the entire YouTube video of them coming here, clearing this space out and putting this mini ramp here. This mini ramp is 4 feet tall, 12 feet wide, perfect transitions, and you gotta love being out here and just skating in nature. I love this ramp a ton, so much that I actually filmed a few clips on it. Check them out. We absolutely loved our stay here at Big Bear, and I guarantee this is a spot we're definitely going to come back to. If you ever come here and you stay at this Airbnb, here's some of our favorite places you need to check out.
1. Dank Donuts. It's super close to the Skatebnb, has a skate and snowboard vibe, has good breakfast food, coffee, and gluten-free donut. Don't expect to wait very long at all to get your food. 2. The Village. This is a fun little touristy place. We would recommend the Boneyard Bar and Grill, 572 Social Kitchen and Lounge, and Tropicali. 3. Big Bear Lake. This is the perfect place to go at the end of the day to watch the sunset.
Hey, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this Airbnb with a mini ramp. If you want to book a stay here, we're going to have a link in the description down below. You can go book your stay and then send us some photos of what it looks like when you came here. If you enjoyed your stay, if you've ever been here before, comment down below, like this video. It really does make a difference. And then go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. If you want to see more mini ramp Airbnb tour videos, click right here. We've got some videos right here for you to check out. Cue Olivia's sneeze.
We absolutely